Hi there, Tom with the EV Universe. Some vehicles, especially a lot of EVs, have difficulty accommodating roof racks. Either that's due to the full roof glass or just the streamlined approach without having attachment rails. Now, SeaSucker has a solution for that. Now, I'd be lying if I didn't tell you about all the skepticism I've heard about holding the gear on top of my car using suction cups. But there's an important distinction that we have to make is that these sea sucker mounts are not suction cups, they're vacuum mounts. Once it's made a seal with the roof of your car, you depress the plunger and it sucks all the air out, and it's very strong.
Getting your monkey bars set up is pretty straightforward. It's going to be best to assemble the pieces near the car so that you can get the dimensions approximately right. I didn't tighten down any of the mounting brackets until I got the vacuum cups in place. I did measure the offset on both sides of the car just to make sure things are even. Obviously, you want to adjust the placement of the bars depending on what it is you're transporting. Once in place, ensure that the bottom of the cups are moist, and then you can press the plunger until the orange band disappears.
Because the beauty of what makes this easier for me is that I don't need a roof rack all the time. But once I get the rack set up for where my bikes are going to be, both the width of the bars, the angles of the mounts, all that stuff.
Then it's just a matter of reattaching the vacuum mounts to the car. And then when it's time to remove the mounts, you just lift up on these tabs, which breaks the seal, and then you're able to remove the cups without issue.
Now, I've tested this with a rooftop box and then my mountain bikes. Um, we don't condone speeding, but I did go a little bit over and it did just fine.
And there are plenty of different attachments for the monkey bars, whether you're looking for bike mounts or board mounts or even a light bar, they have you covered.